So the Invisible Difference Dance Disability in Law project brings together dance experts and experts in law to explore the experience of disabled dance artists, to find out how they think about their work, the work they make, and to think about ways in which we can support them being more present within our cultural landscape today. So the team has done a number of projects before that's been examining some of these questions, and we're very well aware that disabled dance artists feel absent from the mainstream dance ecology. So part of this project is about trying to make them more visible and trying to bring about change within the legal frameworks that would support them having more presence within the dance environment today.
So we're looking at three legal frameworks. We're looking at the law of copyright, we're looking at human rights law, and we're looking at medical law. In terms of copyright, we've found that copyright does protect the work of the disabled dance artist, but perhaps more could be known about how copyright could actually be used in order to protect, promote, disseminate the work. In terms of human rights, what we've found is that we are at a better time than we've ever been in terms of the protection that human rights gives to people with disabilities and their participation in culture. But again, not so much is known about it. So we want to use human rights as an advocacy tool in order to spread awareness. And in terms of medical law, really we think there is quite a problem in terms of a lack of education of doctors during their training to understand about disability and the desires of our colleagues to engage in the cultural sector. So could there be a better education system during training of doctors so disabled dance artists can achieve their aims within the cultural sector?
So as part of the project, we are working with a number of disabled dance artists, and it's been really important for us as a project team that we work directly with artists. And it's been very important to us to be able to access their work by looking in on rehearsals, looking in on performances, talking to them, interviewing them, discussing with them their experiences. And it's been very much a two-way process, and that's been one of the great positives, I suppose, of the project so far, is that it seems that the work that we're able to do with them has been supportive for them in the development of their work as well.
My name is Kate Marsh. I am a PhD candidate at Coventry University. My PhD is part of the Invisible Difference research project, and the focus of my PhD research is leadership, specifically the development of disabled leaders in dance. I feel that the Invisible Difference project and my PhD research is particularly important because as a dance artist who's worked in the dance and disability sector for over 15 years, I have experienced many beginnings of conversations and initiatives that have been started, and I still see a discrepancy between those initiatives and the number of disabled dance artists working in leadership roles in the dance sector. So I would very much hope that the Invisible Difference project and my PhD research could highlight some of the obstacles and some of the issues presenting disabled dance artists, and hopefully create some kind of legacy documentation or practical suggestions and solutions to improve those development opportunities.